Okay, we have arrived in Durban. We drove a few hours south. We only have like a day and a half here before we start heading west. But we're gonna try to do basically as much as we can out of the highlights of Durban in the next couple days. But we are starting off with getting something very important.
Our laundry. But now we're gonna go to the mangroves. We got lucky, it's only open one day a month, and that's today.
I don't really know exactly what is at this mangrove reserve, but it was only open 1 month, one day a month. I figure we better come.
The boardwalk is super rickety.
It kind of bows whenever you walk.
Makes me feel fat. Whoa.
Don't. We're just staying on the boardwalk. These are climbing whelks, aka snails. They climb up the tree. We learned that they like the yellow leaves because they have salt on them. And so now we're just tossing yellow leaves and seeing which crab will get it. So we just finished our round at the mangrove reserve. And I think it's worth it to come. It is only open the 1 day a month unless you make an appointment. It's free to walk around. We learned a bunch of stuff because we had this guide who just kind of gave us all these like random tidbits of information. So it's pretty cool. I think it's worth it. But we're gonna go get food now, something that I have been craving for the last 5 months.
The suspense is real. I don't even know what it is.
So what I've been wanting for 5 months has been sushi. We found a couple different sushi places, and this one offers specials. It just so happens to be at a country club, which we were not expecting. But the sushi looks delicious, I'm excited, and it's just a very nice atmosphere. So, with that, let's see if we can put down this many sushi rolls. We can. We can do it. Sounds good. I like a little bit of sauce for those two, but it's okay. It was off the plain menu, which was 50% off, so I can't really complain.
I think she's gonna put it down all by herself. I'm sitting here filming, watching her eat. Never get to eat.
I saw other people with the cocktails, and because I'm at a country club, I just felt like I needed a fancy cocktail. Because why not?
There we go. Of course, we gotta get dessert. Chocolate lava cake. Let's see if it's lava cake. Oh, kind of. A little overcooked. But still, it'll be delicious. And then we're going to the beach. Let's get away. So we're not doing a proper beach day, just because I think the water's a little cold and the waves look a little rough. Kind of don't want to die.
You wouldn't die, but
today was more chill than anything. We're gonna do a little bit more exploring of Durban before we head off to our next destination tomorrow. And we're just gonna chill, hang out on the beach for a little bit, and that's it.
yeah, we're not driving far tomorrow though.
Nope.
We going?
Here we go.
We're gonna go to downtown Durban and walk, what is it? We're walking the Golden Mile and we're gonna go see Minnie Town. And we're gonna have the iconic Durban lunch.
We are on the Golden Mile. And it is more than a mile. It's 3 miles along the beach on the promenade. I don't know what the promenade is, but we're doing it.
You basically just go walk along this promenade by the beach. There's not really anything super fancy about it, but that's one of the big things to do in Durban. And this is the promenade. I don't really know if anything's gonna change or anything like that, but we're gonna figure out. Good news, the McDonald's is now open. Just kidding, we have not eaten at McDonald's the entire time.
The Bay of Plenty, plenty of sand.
Get out of here.
We've got a lot of these sand sculptures along the path too, which is pretty cool. Actually, I did want to point out how suggestive this no nudity sign was. Very, very suggestive.
I don't know what we're watching. People are running to grab something in the sand. There are officials, so it's got to be official, right? There's a whole bunch of these piers that you can just walk out onto. They're kind of like dotting along the beach area.
It also seems like a friendlier beach. It's not super heavy on the waves. It's nice and calm for people who want to learn how to swim or learn how to surf. I don't know, I kind of like this beach. Eric doesn't like the sand though.
No, it's the kind of sand that like sticks to you. Yesterday, it was a little bit larger pieces of sand, so you can just brush it off.
We're so posh that we got to worry about the size of the sand.
Whatever.
Ooh, did you see that wipe out? That would be me.
Probably. Okay, we arrived at kind of sketchy looking hotel, the Britannia, but I read that this is the best place that you can get bunny chow. So we're gonna go see. I don't completely know exactly what bunny chow is. They just like curry with bread, but it's supposed to be good.
So, this is a bunny. Basically hollowed out bread with a curry. And I got butter chicken. You're supposed to eat with your hands. Start with this piece of bread to get it down, and then start eating it with the rest. But I guess we'll just go. Butter chicken. I love Indian food and the butter chicken, and this is a fun and interesting experience and a new way to eat it. So, definitely recommend it if you're here in South Africa. It appears to be one of their signature dishes. So, in Durban. It's a signature dish in Durban. Erica got lamb, but I think we might dig in. We'll see what Erica thinks, and probably do some dessert later. Another traditional dish.
I don't know if I'm supposed to get this potato. But I like it. Well, I saw the boy over there could not finish his, so we'll see if we're able to finish ours or not.
They are massive.
They are pretty good.
I told Erica that I don't think we should do dessert because I barely finished mine. I actually left some behind. But Erica still wants to do one dessert, despite the fact that she is maybe gone a little over halfway.
More than half.
You got the sniffles too.
Mine's spicier than yours. Yours wasn't very spicy. Mine's pretty spicy. Okay, for our dessert, we got soji, if that's how you say it. We don't really know what it is. It looks like cornbread with cream. We're gonna see. It's got like some nice Indian spices in it, but it is sweet. It's just like a very moist cake. I think you'll like it. Oh, interesting.
I'm a little suspicious. It's interesting. I taste ginger. I taste ginger in there too. So it's like a slightly sweet with some cinnamon and ginger.
These are the almonds. The red things are almonds. It's good. I feel like it's kind of like a little bit lighter, like a light and refreshing ice cream. For the next few days, we are slowly making our way from Durban over to Port Elizabeth, with a few stops along the way, tomorrow's being the most notable. So we're gonna head an hour south. No, sorry, we're gonna head an hour west.
Also, I'm so excited for tomorrow, but I'm also very nervous. You'll see.